A few people have not made very good grades on this particular assessment that I'm going to go over with you. This is Level 2, Chapter 1, Skills Check A3. I've done this once, so I'm going to start it again. And we go through all our regular startup. Then when the document opens, it says insert at the beginning of the title, Chapter 2, Security Risk, a section break that begins a new page. So I'm going to go down to that title and make sure my insertion point is exactly in front of Chapter 2. And then I'm going to insert a section break. So if you go under the Page Layout tab, and here we see breaks, the one that we're going to choose is the one that says Next Page. And then we'll go to the next step. And then it says to move the insertion point to the beginning of the document and then create a footer that says Chapter 1 at the left margin, and then the page number in the middle, and then Marcus Lamont at the right margin. So I'm going to go to Insert, Footer, and I'm going to edit the footer, and let's get back up where we need to be. So we're going to get up here into Section 1 at the very beginning of Section 1, which should be right here on the first page. And here we go, Chapter 1. Ooh, 1. And then I'm going to insert the page number at the current position, and it says to use the plain number format, and then we'll put in Marcus Lamont on the right hand side of the page. Okay, next step. It says to go to the Chapter 2 footer. So that's going to be the second section. If you notice right here, you see that it says Footer Section 1. And we're still in Section 1 on this page, and now we are in Section 2. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to change this to 2, but before we change Chapter 1 to Chapter 2, we're going to unlink it by clicking on that highlighted Link to Previous button. That unlinks it. And I'm going to change that to 2. And then we're going to check the answer. If everything worked right, it says 3 out of 3 if you saw that very quickly, and that means it was all correct. I think probably the problem was that breaking the link perhaps was the problem with that exercise for some of you guys. So I'm going to allow you another chance if you did not make a good grade on that, and I hope this helps. Thanks a bunch.